Well, I was going to leave here early, but the bus is very late, and it's giving me time to think about staying here a little longer. And starting another video. This time, we're going to go into Calverton National Cemetery, because there's lots of great shapes in there. I mean, look at this blue sky. I can't pass this up. We got to continue this walk. Look at that. It's beautiful. Yeah, so we're doing another video. This time we're here at Calverton National Cemetery. I got to watch the battery on this camera, though, because it's getting low. So I already took plenty of video in the other place. Oh, man, there's some great shapes here. Now we're going to look at some big beauties. There's also a desert in here we're going to check out, too, again. Oh, look at these big beauties here. Oh, man, they're beautiful. Some here, too. Gorgeous one right here. Look at this one, too. It's a shame that the Beatles got that one, but this is still going. I hate these. It's the Beatles. They should take these trees down at least, you know, if they just leave them. Yeah, this is, I don't know if I'm going to go to that desert because I've been there before and it's going to be hot in there. I don't know. This is a short-leaf pine. I'm shocked. Now, this is not a pitch pine. This is a short-leafed. I don't know if it was planted here. You can see the needles are shorter. Usually you see those in New Jersey, so that's kind of surprising to see here. They look very similar to pitch pines, but if you look closely, the needles are shorter, the cones are a little smaller. And that's how you can tell the difference. It's beautiful here, isn't it? It's so peaceful. Except for that lawnmower. This is where all the people who serve this great country of ours. So we could be free, so we could have the freedom of speech, so we could live free. This is a beautiful pine here too, by the way. Yeah, this is a beautiful pine. It's bright yellow, green. All these people, they served our country. And again, why there shouldn't be drag racing where they're here. I don't think they would approve of that. So peaceful. We're going to be making a right over here. I'm going to be walking this way. We have more pines to look at. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's so peaceful. You know, that's what our veterans deserve, to rest in peace, you know. Here's a good example here between the white pines, which are on your right, and the pitch pines off to your left. You can see how the pitch pines are just much more brilliant. White pines are kind of like blue-greenish, whereas the pitch pines are like more bright green. Yep, getting sidetracked again because there's a whole bunch of shapes in this spot here. Big beauties over here. This one is spectacular right here. Yeah, there are a lot of beauties here. Yeah, look at this. Wow. That's a beauty. We're going to get back to that one after I walk around this whole area here. So peaceful. Absolutely gorgeous here, my friends. Absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's DEC land over there. Yeah, I think that's a preserve over there off to our left. Absolutely gorgeous. I got more beauties over here. Look at this one. Oh, bright green one. Oh, there's another beauty over there. All the way down there. Alright, we're going to just be on this side. I can see it already. We're going to get to the desert. It's alright. We don't need to get to the desert. Look at these shapes here. Oh, man, that's beautiful. These shapes here are incredible, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, we got more over there. Oh my god. I have no idea. This place is really beautiful. Wow. I'm only going to go up to that point, and then I got to start heading back. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's so peaceful, too. It's just so peaceful. You know? The peace. That's what I like. Absolutely spectacular here, huh? Alright, we got to head back this way, alright? It's just non-stop, man. Non-stop. Wow, you take a look at this big beauty here. Back up a little bit. It's a big one. That is a beauty. Don't fall in love. She's a beauty. Just one in a million. Oh man, that's a beauty right there, I'll tell you. Yeah, it's incredibly beautiful over here. Absolutely beautiful pines here, I gotta tell you. Absolutely beautiful pines. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, let's continue south here. I didn't think I'd see that much beauty here. My gosh. I didn't realize there were so many big beauties in here. Yeah, I don't know, they just love the cemeteries. I noticed, like, the really big, beautiful pines. They always seem to hang out in the cemeteries. Yeah, this one. Look at this one. Such a beauty. Yeah, this is a beauty. Man, what a beauty. Oh, we still have clear skies. I thought we'd see some of that cirrus roll in, but as you can see, we're still clear. Clear all day. Look at that. Beautiful open space here. We're gonna go this way. Debating on whether I should leave the 140 bus or not. We're heading back now. So, a little butterfly. I've seen these little tiny little butterflies around. They don't stick around long enough for me to take a picture though. They just flew away again. So nice here. I never walked around this part. Yeah, I'm sticking around a little longer because it's too beautiful out here. Look at these shapes here. This is a beauty right here. Oh man, what a beauty. What a beauty you are. That's a beauty, huh? I'm not done yet. There's another big beauty over there. Another big beauty is coming into view, folks. Another bright green one. This is a beauty right here. Look at this one. Wow, that's a beauty. Absolutely fantastic. Unfortunately, my battery is getting low, so this video is going to end soon. More pines over there. Yeah. What a peaceful place this is, huh? Oh, I gotta start heading back. Looks like there's even more pines that way. This place is just so peaceful, so relaxing. And, you know, just thinking of all those who served our country and lost their lives, you know. That's what makes it so peaceful and humbling. Back this way before. I'm just trying to figure out how to get out of here now. We make a right over here. All right, we're almost out of here. That road right there off to the left is the exit. I thought this would be a short road, but looks a little longer than I thought. Beautiful. Just a little more scenery here. I have no idea what kind of birds those are at all. Well, that's it. This brings this video to an end. Thank you for watching. Here's the road. Remember what it's all about. Glad I came here to calm down. After getting a little aggravated there at EPCAL, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Remember what it's all about. It's all about those great shapes.